Hey, what's going on, everyone? This is Akin here. Welcome to my Hostzign review. Let's talk about Hostzign in this review, and also, most importantly, I'll be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving away to get you the best results with Hostzign. This is my bonus page. You find the link to this page in the description of this video. Hostzign launches on the 25th of September by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So this is a product that allows you to host your website. Now the difference between buying hosting elsewhere is with Hostzign, you are going to be able to host your website for a low one-time fee. Normally, if you are hosting your website, if you are purchasing hosting, you would either pay monthly or you pay annually. But Hostzign actually allows you to host your websites without paying any monthly fees. So this allows you to host a ton of websites, create unlimited domains and also unlimited subdomains. You get access to unlimited bandwidth. You get access to your own cPanel with one-click WordPress installation. You get access to free SSL certificates with highly secured hosting, and then you also get access to fast SSD server for fast loading speeds for your website. You also get access to unlimited databases, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to show you the custom bonuses I'm giving you on top of this, and then I'm also going to let you see how Hostzign works. Obviously, you get access to your own control panel. So if you know a thing or two about creating websites, then you probably know what to do already. But even if you don't, I'm giving you a bonus that actually shows you how to do this, how to host your own website, how to put everything together to work for you, so you can actually go and take this knowledge, go and use this to create yourself awesome websites. Now, my bonus number one, once you get access to hosting, one cool thing you can do with your hosting actually is to launch your own product. Give your product a name, but I'm giving you access to this bonus that allows you to own and customize my previously launched product. This allows you to customize this product and give this your own name. If you have a logo for this, you can actually use your own logo. Now I'm going to be giving you access to this OTO for Octagon, which I launched in June. Now this is the most expensive OTO and is currently being sold as I speak for $197. So this allows you to own your own software product without you having to write a single line of code. Now this gives you the opportunity to change the name to something else, change the logo, totally rebrand this, totally customize this, so it's your own website, and then you can decide to launch this or do whatever it is you want to do with the software. Now bonus number two, I'm going to be giving you access to my own training that shows you how to create your own website from scratch, how to get your domain name, how to put everything together, how to create your own WordPress website, and how to create your own affiliate website or e-com website, and everything you need to do in order to get or put your own website together. Also, bonus number three, I'm going to be giving you access to a software. This was launched earlier this month. This is Virafix, and this gives you access to free traffic. It allows you to use other people's video to drive a ton of traffic to any affiliate offer. Also, bonus number four, you're going to be getting access to another software, which is a cloud-based software also, that gives you a ton of done for you squeeze page templates, and all you need to do is add your own affiliate link or your lead or the link to your lead magnet, and this allows you to build your list using completely free traffic while making money with affiliates marketing. And also bonus number five, I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing right from inside of your WordPress website. Now if you have a WordPress website, you don't need to keep paying monthly fees to email autoresponder services like Aweber or GetResponse, because I'm going to be showing you how to do email marketing right from inside of your WordPress website, how to manage your list, how to send out promotional emails to your subscribers from time to time right from inside of your WordPress website without you paying monthly fees ever. And also bonus number 6, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses also, in addition to my own bonuses. Now what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, and if you click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page, is going to take you to the sales page of Hostzign. This is where you're going to be able to pick up Hostzign and where you're going to be getting full information about the hosting platform. So it says, are you tired of paying huge monthly fees for your web hosting month after month, year after year? Host unlimited websites and domains on ultra fast SSD cloud servers for 100 years and more for a one-time record low price. No monthly fees ever. Low one-time fee, zero recurring payments, and you get access to top-notch support. So come check out the video presentation on this page. Also come check out all the features of Hostzign right here. One cool thing is there's no monthly fees for this, so you don't have to keep paying monthly or even annually in order to keep using your hosting, because hosting is actually expensive, especially if you are coming into affiliate marketing or you are coming online. You really want to do something and make some money online. It can be very expensive, and it can actually be frustrating if you have to pay every single month or if you have to pay per annum for your hosting. Now Hostzign actually takes away this kind of stress. So come check this out in your own time in order to get full information about Hostzign. So let's talk about the pricing, and then I'm going to let you see how Hostzign works. The front end goes for a one-time fee of $17, which is pretty cool, which is pretty low, and that's pretty awesome in my own opinion. There are some optional upgrades also, like the Hostzign Pro. You get access to commercial rights. This goes for $47. You get access to DDoS protection to prevent hacking and spams, automated daily backup. You get access to powerful SSD storage, 8 core powerful processors to boost your website speed. You get access to commercial license. Hostzign Drive, that's upgrade number 2. You get access to this is a premium option, and this goes for $67. You get access to 500 gigabyte / 1 terabyte cloud storage. You can access your storage on any device. You get access to secure and encrypted storage, password sharing, file preview, group sharing, and all those awesome features. And then you have the Hostzign with resale rights that goes for $147, and this allows you to sell Hostzign as your own product and keep 100% of the profit. So that's my review for Hostzign. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Right now I'm going to let you see how Hostzign works.